You had a slide about how we need this because of Russia.
Correct. Correct.
Utility.
Well, if you think about Russia exporting oil and gas to Europe, now they're turning to the United States and they're turning to the Gulf Coast. LNG exports, the commodities that we export, the difference in the commodity mix between what the price of natural gas is here versus what it is in Europe. There's a lot of opportunities for us to actually fill that gap to supply the world with the opportunities that we have here in the United States. And those are all our customers.
Yeah, but at the same time, you've got to keep costs down.
Correct, correct.
And now a lot of people I hear yapping on TV saying that the electric bill is going to get out of control. I read what you're doing. It doesn't seem to be the case.
Well, we start with some of the lowest rates in the United States already. And we've had some additions to the bill because of the storms that we had with Hurricane Laura, Hurricane Ida, that have actually created some pressure on customers' bills. High gas prices have created pressure on customers' bills. And over the last decade, we've done a really good job of trying to make our product more affordable as a percentage of our customers' wallet. So we need to continue to do as much as we can to alleviate that pressure. The investments we make, lower cost. Load growth, which we have a significant amount of that because of those industrial customers.
Fastest growing, you're the fastest growing part of the country.
Exactly. About 6% sales growth on our part because those commodities that people make, whether it's chlor-alkali, whether it's steel, whether it's LNG, the mix of fundamentals for them right now are as good as they've ever been. And so they're growing. We've got to keep up. But that load growth also helps relieve some of the pressure on the rest of the people's bills.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.